Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things nourishing mind, body, soul, and money. So today's title is Self-Love. Now that I think about it, this was supposed to be my first video because it's the very reason why I started this channel. It was to document myself transforming into the person I've always wanted to be, the best version of myself. I felt a need to just share my views about self-love, and hopefully it will help someone to love themselves holistically. Self-love has many definitions that differs from person to person, but I define self-love as a process where you get to a point of appreciating yourself and taking actions to support your spiritual, physical, and psychological growth. I call it a process because it's not something that automatically happens. It takes time, practice, and making a lot of mistakes. Self-love is about making sure that you prioritize your well-being and happiness, and you don't let people or situations disturb your peace. It starts by wanting to be a better version of yourself, loving yourself because you are, because you breathe, and not because you have riches of this world. It means being able to spread goodness without expecting anything in return, because you understand that spreading positivity heals people and it makes them believe in the goodness of this world. It transforms them to also spread more good, healing thousands and thousands of people. Self-love is important because by thinking highly of yourself, you are encouraged to do beautiful things for yourself. When you've reached a point where you don't put your expectations on people but on yourself, that's when you know you're about to enter into a different new world. I recently discovered that I love and enjoy doing things for myself, things that nourishes my mind, body, and soul. I'm constantly trying to better myself, not for anyone but for me. Secondly, you can never love the next person without loving yourself first. It's just impossible. If you tolerate yourself, you'll tolerate other people. But if you love yourself, you will do things for people with love. Because love is not just an emotion, it's a verb, meaning it's an action word. You can't just say it, it has to be backed up by actions. Thirdly is that self-love gives you internal peace. You can't live harmonic in the world if you are constantly in a battle in your head. This is the reason why we have mental health issues, which affects us physically as well as spiritually. No amount of money can give you peace or happiness, and having money doesn't automatically make you love yourself. You can buy things that boost your ego for that moment, but you can never remove the void once it's all said and done. Love has many definitions, and this is my definition. For me, loving yourself is the greatest gift you can give to yourself. Because of self-love, you will end up healthy, active, at peace, free from mental health issues as you learn to live in the now. You'll be free from anxiety as you won't be anticipating about the future. You'll be free from depression because you won't be living in the past. You'll be in the present moment. You won't envy other people's lives and successes because you'll be too focused on making a better life for yourself. The next video will cover self-acceptance and self-respect, because I believe that once you love yourself, you'll be able to accept yourself the way you are. So thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Please like the video if you found the content informative, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And comment down below on what your definition of self-love is. Always remember, I love you. Have a lovely, productive day.